Next part, Cramer's rule, or also it is called determinant method. Again, in annual examination, from this part surely you will get one question for how many marks? 6 marks. So if you want to solve the question by using Cramer's rule, we need to remember the formula. What is that Cramer's rule formula to find out the value of x? Delta x divided by delta, and y formula is delta y divided by delta. Now let us understand how to find out the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule. Question: solve by Cramer's rule if 3x minus 2y is equals to 4 and 4x plus 5y is equals to 13. Here two equations already they had given. First, write the first equation. 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. Then write the second equation. 4x plus 5y is equals to 13. After writing two equations, first step we need to find out which value here, delta. So to get this delta, what we need to do in determinant form, first we need to write x coefficient value as a first column. See what is the x coefficient? That is 3, and x coefficient in equation number 2 is 4. Next, take the coefficient of y in the equation number 1 as well as what? Equation number 2, and write it as a second column. Y coefficient is minus 2 and y coefficient in equation number 2 is what? Plus 5. Next, apply second order determinant rule. So what is that second order determinant rule? Cross multiplication, middle always minus sign. So this arrow mark, first do the multiplication. So before multiplying the numbers, multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into 5 is 15. Middle always minus sign. Again in bracket, plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2 is how much here? 8. So which is equals to, here by opening the bracket you can do the simplification, otherwise directly use the calculator. So if I use the calculator, see, plus 15 minus of in bracket minus 8, so is equals to, so what is the answer? 23. So right here 23. So this is the value of delta. Once you get delta value, next step we need to find delta x value. Again in a determinant form, how to get delta x value? In delta, this first column, replaced by these two constant terms. That is, instead of writing 3 and 4, write 4, 13. Replace first column by these two constant term, and in delta second column keep it as it is, minus 2, 5. Then again apply second order determinant rule. Do the cross multiplication. Plus into plus is plus. 4 into 5, 20. Middle minus sign. Next these two, plus into minus is minus. 13 into 2 is how much? 26, which is equals to, again plus 20 minus of in bracket minus 26, 46. Therefore write here 46. This is the value of delta x. Next, find out delta y value. For delta y, what we need to do, again in delta, this second column we need to replace by these two constant term. Means instead of writing minus 2 and 5, write here 4, 13. Next, in delta first column keep it as it is, 3 and 4. Next, apply second order determinant rule. do the cross multiplication, which is equals to plus into plus is plus, 3 into 13 is 39 minus, again in bracket, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 4 is 16, which is equals to, again use the calculator, therefore plus 39 minus of, again in bracket, plus 16, how much? 23. So once we get delta x and delta y value, next we need to find out x and y. So write the formula. Therefore x is equals to, formula is delta x divided by delta. What is the delta x value? 46 divided by delta value is 23. So this is the final answer, otherwise you can divide. 46 divided by 23, final answer is 2. So write here 2. Next, y value, formula for y is delta y divided by delta. What is the delta y? 23 divided by delta value is 23. So write here 23. So 23 divided by 23 is how much? 1. Therefore x is 2, y is 1. So this method only we are going to call it as determinant method, or it is also called Cramer's rule. Next, find I1 and I2 using Cramer's rule. If 2I1 plus 3I2 is equals to 1 and 3I1 minus 4I2 is equals to 2. Sometimes what they will do, instead of giving two equation in terms of x and y, they will give in terms of I1 and I2. Here we need to find out the value of I1 and the value of I2. Suppose if they give in terms of I1 and I2, that time formula becomes I1 is equals to delta I1 divided by delta, then I2 value becomes delta I2 divided by delta. In place of x we need to replace by I1, and in place of y we need to replace by I2. So now consider the first equation. So that is 2I1 plus 3I2 is equals to 1. Second equation is 3I1 minus 4I2 is equals to 2. First, as usual, delta value. So delta is equals to, what we need to do to get this delta value, take the coefficient of I1 in equation number 1 and 2, write it as a first column. I1 coefficient is 2 and here I1 coefficient is 3. Next, take the coefficient of I2 in equation number 1 and equation number 2. I2 coefficient is 3, that is plus 3, and I2 coefficient is minus 4. Apply second order determinant rule. Again do the cross multiplication. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 4 is 8, middle minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 3, 9. So which is equals to, better you use the calculator. So here minus 8 minus of in bracket plus 9, complete the bracket. So what is the answer? Minus 70. So write minus 70. So this is delta value. Next, delta I1. So to get this delta I1, what we need to do is, in delta first column we should replace by these two constant term. Means instead of writing 2 and 3, write here 1 and 2, and the second column in delta keep it as it is, 3 minus 4, which is equals to, again apply second order determinant rule. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 4, 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 3 is how much here? 6, which is equals to, therefore minus 4 minus of in bracket plus 6 minus 10. So write minus 10. Next, delta I2 is equals to get this delta I2 value in delta second column, replaced by these two constant term, that is 1 and 2, and first column in delta keep it as it is 2 3, which is equals to, again do the cross multiplication, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. So here you will get 1, otherwise use the calculator. Plus 4 minus of plus 3, 1. So write 1. Once we get delta I1 and delta I2, next find out I1 value. What is the formula for I1? Delta I1 divided by delta. So what is the delta I1 is minus 10 divided by delta value is minus 17. So this is the final answer, or else we can use the calculator. Minus divided by minus is plus, that is 10 divided by 17. So it is 10 divided by 17, 0.58. Next I2 formula, delta I2 divided by delta I2 is 1 divided by delta value is minus 17. Therefore 1 divided by minus 17, 1 divided by minus 17, let's keep it in bracket, 1 divided by minus 17. So answer is minus 0.05, minus 0.05. So this I1 value is 0.58, I2 value is minus 0.05. Next part, adjoint of matrix. Again from this section, one question you will get for how many marks? 5 marks. So to find out adjoint of matrix using second order, there is a shortcut rule. What is that shortcut rule? Interchange principal diagonal elements and remaining elements change the sign. So this shortcut method, just remember, within one step you will get the answer. See what we need to do. Suppose here one example I will consider. A is equals to 2 minus 3, 1 minus 5. Now we need to find adjoint of matrix. So this is the short form. ADJ of A means adjoint of matrix. So in this matrix, this 2 minus 5, this is what we call it as principal diagonal elements. What we need to do is, this principal diagonal elements we need to interchange first. So interchange means, in place of 2 write minus 5, next in place of minus 5 write 2. So this is what we call it as interchanging. What we need to do, interchange principal diagonal elements. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, next remaining elements we need to change the sign. What is the remaining element? 1 and minus 3. Only we need to change the sign. That is, plus 1 becomes minus 1 and minus 3 becomes what here? Plus 3. So this is what we call it as adjoint of matrix. So within one step we will get the answer. So here, by taking example, let us understand. Find adjoint of matrix A is equals to 4, 5, 3, minus 1. So in the solution, adjoint of A is equals to, so 4 and minus 1 is principal diagonal elements. So interchange the principal diagonal elements. In place of 4 write minus 1, In place of -1, write 4. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, remaining element only change the sign. +3 becomes -3, +5 becomes -5. So this matrix we are going to call it as adjoint of matrix. Next, another example. Solution. If A is equals to 2, 5, 1, -7, find adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to, interchange principal diagonal elements, therefore -7 and here 2. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, remaining elements change the sign. +1 becomes -1, +5 becomes -5. So this is the first type of example. In the first type, directly they will ask find adjoint of matrix. Sometimes in words they will give find adjoint of matrix. Otherwise sometimes they will give in shortcut way ADJ of A, means adjoint of A. Next, in the second type, if A is equals to 2, 1, 3, 4, then find A into adjoint of A. So to solve this, first write A into adjoint of A. The solution, write here A into adjoint of A. So in between A and adjoint of A, multiplication sign comes. Therefore, apply here box method. Multiplication rule, box method we need to apply. First A matrix is given, so write A matrix value. What is that A matrix value? 2, 1, 3, 4. Next, into, take adjoint of A. So interchange principal diagonal elements. 4, 2, change the sign, -3, -1. So this is adjoint of A. Then write the order 2 cross 2. Here also write the order 2 cross 2. So these two are equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. Apply box method. So in this corner write A into adjoint of A. Row this side, column this side. What is the first row? 2, 1. So write +2 +1. Second row 3, 4. +3 +4. Next, first column +4 -3. Second column -1 +2. Multiply. Plus into plus, plus 2 into 4 is 8. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 3, 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 into 1, 2. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 2, 2. Plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 12. Plus into minus is minus 4 into 3, 12. Plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, 3. Plus into plus, plus 4 into 2 is 8. Now in matrix form, write plus 8 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 plus 12 minus 12 minus 3 plus 8. Therefore, which is equals to, use the calculator. 8 minus 3, it gives you 5. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Minus 3 plus 8. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So this is the value of A into adjoint of A. So this is the second type. Type number 3. In type 3, how they will ask the question? In adjoint of matrix, one matrix they will give A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they will then you need to show A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. Means left hand side first we need to solve, then right hand side you solve. After that compare left hand side value with right hand side value. If both values are same, then we need to write LHS is equals to RHS. So for that first consider left hand side. So in the solution first I am going to write LHS. What is that LHS? A into adjoint of A. As usual, first A. What is A value? 1 2 3 4. So write 1 2 3 4. Next into, take adjoint of A. Adjoint means interchange principal diagonal elements. Remaining elements change the sign. -3 -2. So 2 cross 2 is equals to again 2 cross 2. So these two are equal. So possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. Next, apply box method. So write A into adjoint of A, row, column. So row, column. First row plus 1 plus 2. Second row plus 3 plus 4. First column plus 4 minus 3. Second column minus 2 plus 1. Multiply. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 4, 4, plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 2, 2, plus into plus, plus 2 into 1, 2. Plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 12, plus into minus, minus 4 into 3, 12. Plus into minus is minus 3 into 2, 6, plus into plus, plus 4 into 1, 4. So in matrix form, rewrite plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 plus 12 minus 12 and minus 6 plus 4. Therefore, next use the calculator. Therefore, A into adjoint of A value is 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 0 plus 12 minus 12 0 minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So this is left hand side value. I am going to call it as 1. We got left hand side. Next, right hand side value. What is that right hand side? Determinant of A into I. So next part, write RHS, determinant of A into I. So first take determinant. Determinant of A is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 into identity matrix. I indicates identity matrix value is 1 0 0 1. Apply second order determinant rule. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 4 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus, plus 3 into 2 6, into, keep this identity matrix as it is 1 0 0 1. Next, use the calculator. Plus 4 minus of plus 6, it will show you minus 2. Plus 4 minus of plus 6. How much? Minus 2. So write minus 2 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So finally, next multiply. Therefore, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 0 0. Minus 2 into 0 0. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So this is the value of determinant of A into I. Call this equation number 2. So now You can check. First equation answer is minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Here also minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Therefore right here LHS is equals to RHS. So this question either you will get for 5 marks or you will get for 6 marks. Next part, inverse of matrix. Again from this section definitely they will ask one question either for 5 marks or else for 6 marks. To find out inverse of matrix, there is a formula. What is that formula? A inverse. This power minus 1 indicates inverse of matrix. A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Consider the example. If A is equals to 2, 5, 1 minus 7, then find A inverse. So first in the solution, write the formula. So what is that formula? A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Here we need to find two values. One is adjoint of A and another one is determinant of A. Therefore first adjoint of A. Already we know how to find out adjoint of A. So to find out adjoint of A, what we need to do? In A, interchange principal diagonal elements. 2, 7 can be written as 7, 2. And remaining elements change the sign. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. So this is the value of adjoint of A. Next, find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is equals to determinant symbol, keep it as it is, substitute A value. What is that A value? 2517. 2517. Apply second order determinant rule, cross multiplication, plus into plus, plus 2 into 7, 14 minus, plus into plus, plus 1 into 5 is 5. Again use the calculator. So plus 14 minus of in bracket plus 5. So what is the answer? 9. So write here 9. So this is the value of determinant of A. After finding adjoint of A and determinant of A, next step, these two values substitute in the formula. Therefore A inverse is equals to, once again write the formula, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So which is equals to, in the numerator adjoint of A is there. What is the answer? 7 minus 5 minus 1. Next is 2. Next, division symbol, divided by denominator determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? Answer is 9. So this is the value of inverse of matrix. Next question. If A is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, then find inverse of matrix. See here, sometimes in words they will give find inverse of matrix, otherwise sometimes symbolically they will give find A power minus 1. Remember, A power minus 1 is nothing but inverse of matrix. First write the formula, then find out adjoint of A is equals to, interchange principal diagonal elements, it becomes 2 2. Remaining element change the sign, minus 1 becomes plus 1, again minus 1 becomes plus 1. Next, find out determinant of A value. So determinant symbol, keep it as it is, substitute A. What is that A? 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. Do the cross multiplication, plus into plus, plus 2 into 2 4, middle minus sign, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So if you use the calculator, it will show you 3. That that is plus 4 minus of plus 1 is 3. Therefore write here 3. Therefore A inverse is equals to, formula is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now substitute adjoint of A value. What is that? 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1, 2, divided by determinant of A value is how much? 3. So this is the answer. In matrix and determinants, this is the last part, that is characteristic equation. Again, from this section definitely you will get one question, either for 5 marks or else for 6 marks. So to find out this characteristic equation, remember these two formula. This is a general formula, determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to 0, but here we are using this shortcut formula. What is that shortcut formula to find out characteristic equation? Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0. Take one example. Here question number 1, find characteristic equation of A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1. So in the solution, first write the given matrix. A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1. This given matrix compare with A, B, C, D. Given matrix compare with A, B, C, D. So that time in place of A, what is the number here? 1. Next, in place of D, what is the number? 1. Next, after comparing, write this shortcut formula. What is that? Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0. Keep this lambda square as it is, minus in bracket A value. What is A value? 1. Middle plus sign, plus D value. What is the D value? Again 1. Into lambda, keep it as it is, plus in a determinant symbol take A value. What is A? 1, 2, 2, 1. So right here 1, 2, 2, 1 is equals to 0. Next, lambda square as it is, minus 1 plus 1 is 2 times of lambda, plus apply second order determinant rule. So in bracket apply second order determinant rule. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1, middle minus sign, again in bracket plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4. Close the bracket, which is equals to 0. Next, keep this lambda square as it is, minus 2 lambda as it is, even plus sign also keep it as it is. Next, inside this bracket, whatever the calculation is there, do it by using the calculator. What is here? Plus 1 minus of in bracket plus 4. So how much it is showing? Minus 3. Therefore in bracket write minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore final answer is lambda square minus 2 lambda, open the bracket, plus into minus is minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is what we call it as characteristic equation. Next question, find a characteristic equation of A is equals to, write that A value 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2. Compare this with A, B, C, D. Again, in place of A, 2, in place of D, minus 2. Write the formula. Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0. Keep that lambda square as it is, minus in bracket. First a value, a is 1, middle plus sign, again in bracket d is minus 2. Complete the bracket into lambda plus determinant of a value, a is 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 is equals to 0. Next, lambda square, this outside negative sign keep it as it is. Next, use the calculator here. So 1 plus in bracket minus 2, 1 plus in bracket minus 2. So what is the answer? Minus 1. So in bracket keep minus 1 into this lambda plus, again in bracket apply second order determinant rule. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 2, 2, middle minus sign, again in bracket minus into minus is plus, 6 into 1 is 6 is equals to 0. Next, lambda square as it is, minus into minus becomes plus 1 lambda plus, again use the calculator. So this is minus 2 minus of in bracket plus 6 plus 6, close the bracket. So minus 8. So in bracket minus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore, what is the final answer? Lambda square plus 1 lambda plus into minus is minus 8 is equals to 0. So this is a required characteristic equation.